Hi, I'm Mark McCleary from AWS. I'm from the technical department, and I'm just going to go through some of the products that we've tested through to AS2047 in terms of weather testing. This window's been tested into Region D, being designed for houses go up to 10,500 pascals, which is probably 500 to 600 km/h wind speed. Water pressures up to about 660 pascals, generally only seen in cyclonic areas. What we're measuring now is deflection. It's the window member bending. It's important to measure this because it tells you the serviceability, which means that when a storm or a high wind load's applied to your product, it tells you that the window is going to be serviceable and working afterwards. An example of deflection is a door that is 2100 millimeters high and is allowed to deflect 1 on 150 serviceability. It would only deflect 14 millimeters if it is working correctly. This is the operation test. This shows you how hard it is to operate the doors and make sure it's working within a set standard. This is the water test. In this test, we're spraying a lot of water onto the specimen, and then we've got pressure applied to it on the outside. This is simulating driving rain. You can see water on the inside track. The product is designed to have water to go on the inside of the track. When the pressure is removed, the water then free drains away. If water was to come over the top of the track, via the head height or via splashing, that would be classed as a failure. This is the ultimate test, which is going to take the product hopefully through to failure. It's at 10,500 pascals or 500 km/h winds roughly. You can see we've put tape on the windows. This is so that you can see the amount of deflection in the glass. It's important to test the products in both positive pressure and negative pressure because corner pressures at Region D can be very high, and it's very important to test the negative pressures because this is what causes houses to fail in Region D. Once we've successfully got the products through to the ultimate numbers, in this case 10,500 pascals, we then try and take it through to destruction, in this case 12,500 pascals, at which point the rig topped out. It's important to take it through to these numbers because then when we look at the products where they've been damaged, we can then redesign the products and make them better in the future. All AWS products have been successfully tested to AS2047. If you require further information, contact AWS or see our website.